Pycharm does not show plot. Pycharm does not show plot from the following code. What happens is that a window appears for less than a second, and then disappears again. Using the piezo IID, using same interpreter, on the same code the plot shows as expected. So the problem must be with some setting on Pycharm. I've tried using both python.x and python.x as interpreter, both with same results. This is my sys_info.
Just use. This command tells the system to draw the plot in Pycharm. Example.
I realize this is old, but I figured I'd clear up a misconception for other travelers. Setting plt.pyplot.isInteractive to false means that the plot will be drawn on specific commands to draw, i.e. plt.pyplot.show. Setting plt.pyplot.isInteractive to true means that every pyplot, plt, command will trigger a draw command, i.e. plt.pyplot.show. So what you were more than likely looking for is plt.pyplot.show at the end of your program to display the graph. As a side note, you can shorten these statements a bit by using the following import command: import matplotlib.pyplot as plt rather than matplotlib as plt.
Works for me. Pycharm/OSX.
I had the same problem. Check whether plt.isInteractive is true. Setting it to false helped for me.
I tried different solutions, but what finally worked for me was plt.showBlock equals true. You need to add this command after the midAddAFrame.plot command for this to take effect. If you have multiple plot, just add the command at the end of your code. It will allow you to see every data you are plotting.
False,